the entry of the Service Party of Kenya, TSP, into Kenya's politics. TSP is now a registered party in accordance with Article 38 of the Constitution and the Political Parties Act of 2011. I take this early opportunity to thank thousands of Kenyans who have worked with great resolve over the past months to recruit our founding members across several counties to enable us get fully registered as a political party. We thank you. We thank you. As you are aware, parties are established to either form governments or, if outside, to influence government's decision-making. TSP members and the officials you see here today, other officials could not be able to travel to Nairobi because of the travel restrictions, have carefully listened to Kenyans and have made the commitment to bring forth a platform that, as our name suggests, will be unequivocal about service delivery to our people. The Service Party wants to be a grassroots national party that will not only be the voice of wananchi wa kawaida. Service to our people is, lastly, we all know that service to humanity is service to God. Informed by this, TSP writes its promise of service in the hearts of all those who you may place the honor of leadership on. I take it again. Informed by this, TSP writes its promise of service in the hearts of all those who you may place the honor of leadership on. Our symbol, as you can see, is a heart inside a circle, nested in the background of our party colors. This symbol is our promise. It is our heartfelt promise. It stands for a genuine desire to serve humanity and to serve fellow Kenyans. As you are all aware, the world over, preparation of elections begins mostly 2 years ahead of elections. The current political events in our country are a clear signal of what parties are planning for. A clear signal, I take it again, as all are aware, world over, preparations of elections begins mostly 2 years ahead of elections. The current political events in our country are a clear signal of what parties are planning for 2022.